Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to block someone on Telegram. If you're dealing with unwanted messages or calls, blocking the person is a straightforward solution. Let's dive right in and explore the steps to achieve this. First, you need to open the Telegram app on your device. Whether you're using an Android or an iPhone, the process is essentially the same. Once the app is open, navigate to the chat with the person you want to block. This could be a personal chat or a group conversation where they are involved. Now, tap on the person's name at the top of the chat screen. This will open their profile details. Here, you'll see a few options, but what we're interested in is the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these three dots to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find several options, but the one we need is Block User. Tap on this option to initiate the blocking process. You'll then see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to block this user. This is a crucial step because once you block someone, they won't be able to send you messages or call you. They also won't be able to see your profile picture, online status, or last seen information. To confirm, tap Block again. This will finalize the action, and the person will be blocked from contacting you through Telegram. It's worth noting that the person you block won't receive any notification about being blocked, so you can do this discreetly. Blocking someone on Telegram is a simple yet effective way to manage your privacy and control who can interact with you. If you ever change your mind and want to unblock someone, you can do so by going to your privacy settings and finding the list of blocked users. From there, you can select the person you want to unblock and confirm the action. That's it. With these easy steps, you can block unwanted contacts on Telegram and enjoy a more peaceful messaging experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching.